students. In this video, we will discuss express route method POST. POST method is used to send data to the server to create a new resource. When you fill out a form on a website and hit submit, your browser sends a POST request to the server with the form data. So here we are not asking for a request. Instead, we are posting data to the server. Okay. Here it is clearly mentioned, unlike GET request, POST request can include a body allowing you to send data such as form submission. Uh, we can also say it is always very funny to compare GET and POST. There is a very interesting comparison that I would like to mention here. When we send data, confidential data like uh, when we request for a confidential data using get method like password and username, they are generally displayed in the search bar along with the URL path. But whereas post, it doesn't show up. So it is always very crucial to remember that in order to retrieve data, uh, we have to use get method, but it is not recommended to use get to retrieve confidential data. Okay, and the confidential data can be very simply handled using post request, as post does not show up any data in the URL path. So let's look at a simple example. Here here I've used const express equals to require express to import the express module, and const app is used to initiate the express, and I've used a middleware function app.use to uh, parse the JSON body. Express.json parses the JSON body. Then here I've used app.post and its route. Slash submit data is the route that is used to handle the JSON data. And we have a callback function whose parameters are request and response. So here const JSON data equals to request body will request the parsed data. It will request the parsed data from the JSON body. Okay, so basically express.json will parse the data that we are going to submit, and the request body will request that particular parsed data. And here I have mentioned a basic console message that says received JSON data. Okay, and we are expecting a response. A response uh, here the first response would be data received successfully, followed by the actual data that we are expecting, and followed by so this is the main part, and it is followed by the the actual part, that is where we start the server. We are starting the server on 3000, and the app.listen will listen on the particular port number. So let's go ahead and run this particular application. Now the application name is post.js. So let's say node space p followed by tab. Sorry, there are multiple folders with p. Okay, post.js. So we got server is running on port 3000. Let's move to the browser, and there it is clearly mentioned the URL path, the route is submit data. So let's copy this just to avoid any mistakes. It is always recommended to copy rather than typing. Okay, so here we are not using get method. That's the reason it says cannot get. So for that, what we need to do is we need to open postman. Okay, so here we are posting it, right? So we need to open postman. So let's open the postman. It's on my desktop. Here it will take a few seconds to open. So we need to post data to the server. So postman application acts like a third party server. Oh, okay. So uh, let's use a different tab. The HTTP method is post, and body is raw. We want to give JSON. So let's give something. Okay. Let's post some details like name, colon, uh, say shall. Let's put the first one as first name, and next put the next one as last name, and let's add age. Okay, let's say send. So data received successfully, and received data, the JSON body that we have given, that we have posted. So this is how a post method works. Post method is used to post data to a specific resource like a server. In this case, we have used Postman as a third party server. All right, guys. So this is all about the post method. In the next video, we shall look into other methods like put and delete. Thank you.